All right, good morning. It is Thursday, October 16 today, and I just got to the piece of private land that I have permission to hunt here in St. Joseph County. This is already shaping up to be a much better episode. I've seen like a dozen deer already out in these kind of cow pastures that the property has. My plan this morning is there's a valley on this property that's got a bunch of oaks and stuff in it. And there's also like, depending on the year, it's either a pond or a meadow. This year it's more of a meadow because it was a very dry summer. There's a lot of food, there's a lot of cover, and there's a lot of bedding in this valley. It should be a good morning, should at least see deer. We've already seen deer, so this is better than most of my other episodes. So anyways, without further ado, it's about 6:15 right now, so I'm gonna get suited up and head to the tree. So that's the plan. Wish me luck. Alright, we're coming up on 10:30 here, so I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna go scoop up a bunch of SD cards here and just see what's going on out here. My plan for this afternoon's hunt is I'm 50-50. I'm either gonna come back and hunt this spot, or I'm gonna go sit another stand that's on the other side of this bedding ridge. I'll have to think about it this afternoon, kind of stew on it a little bit, and come up with a decision. So, either way, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get down, and I'm going to pull some SD cards. And I'll see you this afternoon. It's 1:15 right now. It's pretty early and it's pretty hot, but I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna get in a tree. I checked my trail cameras. A couple of them stopped taking pictures. Like one of them was on September 8th. So no good intel on that. And then the only ones that did run only had small bucks on them. So nothing super interesting there. I'm just gonna go get in a tree. It's 1:15 right now and it's pretty warm. But you know, who knows? As soon as the sun starts dropping down, it cools off pretty quick. So I'd rather be in a tree and be ready for that. So I'm gonna head out and get in a tree. So I'll see you guys there. We are in and we are all set up. And I am on a killing mission tonight. I don't care when. If a doe comes through, a nice mature doe, I'm killing her. But basically what I have is off to my left is a bedding ridge. And there's like thick like autumn olive on there. At the bottom of the valley there's a big thing that is either a pond or a meadow depending on the year. And this year it's a meadow because it's been super dry. And then in front of me and to the right is another big bedding area. It's a swamp. And so basically what I've got is a little funnel here where all kinds of bedding comes together. There's oaks inside this funnel, and then behind me is a cow pasture, but it's got like some rye or something like that in there, which looks really nice and green. Who knows, I'm really close to bedding, so deer could come through at any time. So I think I'm gonna stop talking and start paying attention and hopefully get my first kill of bow season tonight. Stay tuned. All right, I just got down. I'm gonna go check the arrow, kind of see what we're in for here, maybe see if there's some blood right away. And then I'm gonna go grab the cart and stuff like that. And we'll go track her and find her. I don't want to leave her lay too long because there's a ton of coyotes out here this year, so I don't want them to beat me to her. So let's go check this arrow out. All right, no doubt about it, she's pumping already. So I'm gonna leave the arrow there. I'm gonna grab the stuff, and then let's go find her. All right, I see a dead deer. Sweet. All right, here she is. She made it, probably 150, maybe 200 yards. Not terrible. The shot actually came out a little high. I wonder if she kind of spun on the shot or not, but I can look back at that later. But yeah, nice sized doe. She'll be pretty good to eat her. Feels good to get one. I've been struggling this year, man. I've been hunting a lot of public because my wife and I had a baby this June, and so I've been trying to stay close to home. So I made a trip down to my private land, which is about an hour and a half away, and made it work. Yeah, that was the goal, was a nice freezer filler doe, and we got her. So feels good to get one on the board to punch a tag. I didn't shoot a deer with my bow last year, so it feels good to get one with my bow. But yeah, I don't know. I don't have much else to say. I mean, it's just a doe, but feels really good to get one. So that's that. I don't know when I'll be out to hunt next, but it'll probably be public land if I'm being honest with you. But I'll see you guys then when I do. I'm gonna get her cleaned up and I'm gonna get her out of here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along with me the rest of the season. I'll see you on the next one.